Welcome to Inqua News. Candidate Surendra Furtado was among the first to cast his vote in the Corporation of City of Panjim elections. Speaking after voting, Furtado said that the people of Panjim are looking for a change and expressed confidence that the change is imminent.
Overall,
Response is very good. People have come on their own without bringing anybody in private cars. Everybody come on their own. इथून दाखवून दिता बदल जावंक जाय म्हणून बेजार जाले पणजेकार न्हू बेजार जाले पणजेकार म्हणून ते सगळे आयल्या आपणे स्वताची गाडी घेवन even the old people who can't walk properly have come. So it shows that they want a change.
वोटिंग पर्सेंटेज कितले तुम्ही एक्सपेक्ट करू शकता तुमच्या वॉर्डान
आमचे वॉर्डन ॲटलिस्ट 70% जावंक जाय
70%.
65 to 70%. त्याची वयर जायना. Lot of people have died, lot of people have shifted, lot of people are abroad, you know. Actually, if we had gone by the SIR, you will have got the correct picture. Now you see, one politician from Panjim has put Nepalis in his different flats. It's a big risk to the government of Goa and India to keep people of other nationalities in their flats and registering themselves as voters. तूं म्हाका सांग एक गोंयकाराक आपलें नांव रजिस्टर करून तो म्हणटा शापाची आड आजीची आड पणजेची आड आनी हे नेपालीचे कशे येता रे हां and how that one politician is keeping in different flats this name. If something triggers, who will be responsible for the security of India?
ओनली नेपालीज और बांग्लादेशी ऑल्सो.
I don't know. So mostly you see only Nepalis in Panjim.
सो तुम्ही उखलतले हे मुद्दे परते काडटले.
पळय हें कोणें करूंक जाय हांव होम मिनिस्टर ना होम मिनिस्टर कोण चीफ मिनिस्टर तेणें पळोवंक जाय कशे हे फॉरेन सिटीजन आर voters of this thing. I can go to America and become just a voter, or I can go to Belgium and just become a voter. How it is only happening here? Why the lethargic attitude of this government?
so
बट
what
आता SIR जाल्ले न्हू सर. SIR
म्हणून SIR जाल्ले ते सगळे सारके जावपाचे. Government of India had a good thing of doing this SIR, but some politicians were very much in a hurry not to do an SIR because they had put a lot of bogus votes.
so the BLOs and all were changed, so that has also affected the SIR things.
BLOs were changed, no? Huh? That is why the BLOs were changed. The old BLOs knew everybody, no? New BLOs did not know anybody. We had to show them who's what, where is he staying. Anyway, what has happened has happened. The Almighty Lord will decide whether Army Panjekar should rule Panjim or not. Samjhala, no?
So another thing that few years back the smart city works were going on, so people were frustrated, had problems, and business also suffered. So will that impact be seen in the CCP election?
I think so. Because lot of Panjekar businessmen, small businessmen suffered for months together. And the politician of Panjim was saying he is not at all happy with smart city. Started shouting in CCP everything to some other people. What happened afterwards? Smart city became nice?